In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google AE Studio for voice generation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn written text into natural sounding audio using Gemini with clear guidance on settings that shape the final voice. Start by opening your browser and going to astudio.google.com. You'll land on Google's workspace for building and testing AI features. If you're prompted to continue or confirm your account, just follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Next, look for the option that says Turn Text into Audio with Gemini and click it. This opens a dedicated interface designed for voice generation, giving you fields for instructions, your dialogue, and controls along the right side. Begin with a style instruction. Think of this as your director's note to the voice. Be explicit about tone, pacing, energy, and clarity. For example, you might write warm, friendly, and conversational, medium pace, clear enunciation, suitable for a how-to tutorial. You can also mention audience and context, like for beginners, or explain terms briefly to keep the delivery approachable. Now add your dialogue. This is the exact text you want spoken. Type your script carefully, using punctuation to signal pauses and emphasis. Short, clear sentences usually produce the most natural results. If a word has an uncommon pronunciation, include a hint in parentheses right after it. Keeping paragraphs concise also helps the model breathe and pace naturally. On the right, select a mode. Modes typically balance factors like speed, expressiveness, and consistency. Choose one that fits your goal: informative narration, character-style delivery, or a more neutral read. If you're unsure, start with a general-purpose mode and refine from there. Open the mode settings and adjust the temperature. Temperature controls variability. Lower values keep delivery steady and predictable, which is great for tutorials and instructions. Higher values introduce more expressive variation, which can add personality but may become less consistent. For training or professional content, a moderate or lower temperature often works best. Then edit the voice settings. Pick a voice that matches your style notes and fine-tune speaking rate and pitch if those options are available. Slightly slower pacing improves clarity for technical content, while a neutral pitch sounds most natural for general narration. When everything looks good, click Run. The system will generate the audio based on your instructions, dialogue, and settings. Listen carefully to the result. If something feels off, maybe the pacing is too fast or the tone too energetic, tweak your style instruction, nudge the temperature, or adjust the voice settings, and run it again until it sounds just right.